Welcome to the stunning gated community nestled in the heart of Riverside, California. Today, we have the pleasure of presenting a magnificent Pulte Homes model home tour that epitomizes luxury living. This exquisite residence boasts 5 spacious bedrooms, 5 elegant bathrooms, and a convenient 2-car garage, all complemented by a charming loft space. Step inside to discover an expansive open floor plan spanning approximately 2,988 square feet, adorned with lofty ceilings that enhance the sense of grandeur and space. Join us as we explore this exceptional home, adorned with optional builder upgrades promising a lifestyle of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any of my future videos. The heart of social gatherings is this expansive great room, designed to elevate your hosting experience. Featuring a stylish lighting fixture, this inviting space offers the perfect ambiance for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it seamlessly integrates convenience and comfort, creating a welcoming environment for both residents and guests alike. The dining area is illuminated by natural light streaming through a large window and sliding glass door, creating a bright and airy ambiance that enhances the dining experience, making every mealtime a delightful affair. Its strategic placement ensures seamless connectivity between the kitchen and living spaces. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate it if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. This home features a versatile workstation ideal for your needs, whether you're studying, working from home, or organizing your favorite recipes. Indulge your culinary passions in the exquisite kitchen, adorned with stunning countertops and a beautiful backsplash that elevate its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, it ensures both functionality and style. The single basin sink not only provides a picturesque view of the great room, but also offers a convenient access to the adjacent dishwasher. Enhancing both utility and charm, the center island features a breakfast bar, perfect for casual dining, complemented by pendant lighting and plenty of storage below, catering to your every culinary need with flair. This home offers a convenient coat closet, perfect for keeping your outerwear and accessories neatly organized. The kitchen boasts a spacious walk-in pantry, offering ample storage solutions that are as practical as they are convenient, enhancing the functionality of this culinary haven. There is direct access to the 2-car garage, however it was locked as it is being used currently as a model home office. The downstairs suite, an option in lieu of a 3rd-car garage, is a wonderful living space with a window allowing ample natural light, plush carpeting for comfort, and a stylish lighting fixture to enhance its ambiance. This bedroom is complete with its own private bathroom and a spacious walk-in closet. This suite offers privacy and luxury for its occupants. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes like this, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please let me know in the comments below. As you navigate the hallway, you'll encounter a convenient storage closet, providing extensive space for organizing everyday essentials. This home includes a stylish powder room, perfect for guests and convenient for daily use. It features a sink, a mirror, a toilet, a window, and a lighting fixture. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet, perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a neat and organized living space. The flex room offers versatile potential, serving as a multifunctional space adaptable to your lifestyle preferences. Whether you envision it as a separate living room, a productive home office, a serene piano room, a lively game room, or for any other purpose, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to tailor this area to your heart's desires. Isn't this home exquisite? Its impressive size is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore. Let's continue our journey upstairs to uncover more of this captivating residence. The second bedroom is bathed in natural light from the front window, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. It features a light fixture with a fan for added comfort, and the cozy carpeting adds a touch of softness underfoot. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, I'd be honored to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can support you in achieving your real estate goals. The room includes a convenient walk-in closet and its own private bathroom, complete with cabinets, a window, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower within the bathtub. Explore this expansive loft, adorned with windows, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Enhanced by recessed lighting and a light fixture, this versatile area offers endless possibilities. Whether you seek a tranquil spot for relaxation, a focused space for studying, an entertaining game room, or the perfect venue for lively slumber parties. The third bedroom features a window that invites natural light and a lighting fixture adorned with a fan and complemented by recessed lighting. Additionally, it is carpeted, contributing to the room's inviting atmosphere, and features a walk-in closet for added convenience. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I'm curious, where are you watching from? Please leave a comment of your state in the comments below. The fourth bedroom is illuminated by plenty of natural light streaming through its windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced by a lighting fixture, the room offers a comfortable ambiance, complemented by plush carpeting. Additionally, it includes a spacious walk-in closet, providing generous storage space for clothing and personal belongings. You'll find a guest bathroom featuring double sinks, cabinets, a mirror, and a door separating the toilet and the shower inside the bathtub, ensuring privacy and ease of use for all occupants. The laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, provides the ultimate convenience for your laundry needs. With the inclusion of shelving, this space offers abundant storage for all your supplies, ensuring a clutter-free environment, making laundry day a breeze. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet, perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials. Discover tranquility in the exquisite primary suite, thoughtfully positioned a bit away from the other bedrooms for utmost privacy and convenience. Adorned with windows that flood the space with natural light, complemented by recessed lighting and a stylish fixture, this retreat exudes warmth and sophistication. Enhanced by plush carpeting underfoot and offering serene views of the backyard, the owner's suite promises a haven of comfort and relaxation. In the luxurious oasis of the ensuite primary bathroom, spaciousness and indulgence intertwine seamlessly. Luxuriate in the choice between a refreshing shower and a separate bathtub, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. The ensuite primary bathroom offers the convenience of a private water closet complete with a toilet for added privacy. Additionally, the ensuite bathroom boasts recessed lighting, providing a serene ambiance that complements its beauty. With the inclusion of cabinets and dual sinks, functionality meets elegance in this thoughtfully designed space. Boasting ample room to move and unwind, this sanctuary features a generously sized walk-in closet, offering abundant space to accommodate both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. This home incorporates green features, including double-pane, energy-efficient Low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed LED lighting, promoting energy efficiency and sustainability. In addition, the community is governed by a homeowners association, ensuring well-maintained amenities and shared spaces. Conveniently located near shopping centers and major freeways, residents enjoy easy access to everyday essentials and transportation routes. Located in a prestigious community, this residence epitomizes luxury living at its finest. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, modern amenities, and prime location, this home is not just a dwelling, it's a testament to refined living. Wasn't this home lovely? If you love this home, you will enjoy these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please consider also subscribing, and I'll see you in the next two videos.